Did you know that wheatgrass is packed with more vitamins and minerals than most vegetables? Just 2 ounces can give you the nutritional equivalent of a whole plate of veggies. Wheatgrass has become a popular health supplement, popping up in juice bars and health food stores everywhere. Its rising popularity in wellness circles is no surprise, given its impressive nutritional profile. People are looking for natural ways to boost their health, and wheatgrass seems to fit the bill. Wheatgrass has its roots in ancient cultures, where it was used for medicinal purposes. In traditional Chinese medicine, wheatgrass was used to treat digestive issues and other ailments. It's also been used in Ayurvedic medicine to promote overall wellness. The fact that it's been used for centuries speaks to its potential benefits. Wheatgrass is a powerhouse of nutrients, packed with vitamins A, C, and E, as well as minerals like calcium and iron. It's also a rich source of antioxidants, which help protect cells from damage. Some of the potential health benefits of wheatgrass include reducing inflammation, improving digestion, and even supporting cancer prevention. Its high concentration of chlorophyll can help detoxify the body and boost energy levels. Additionally, wheatgrass may help lower cholesterol levels and improve overall heart health. The potential health benefits of wheatgrass could have a significant impact on overall wellness trends and dietary choices. If wheatgrass can truly help reduce inflammation and improve digestion, it could become a staple in many people's diets. We might see more people turning to wheatgrass as a natural way to manage chronic health issues. As people become more health conscious, they may start to incorporate wheatgrass into their daily routines. This could lead to a shift towards more plant-based diets and a greater emphasis on preventative care. Many health experts swear by the benefits of wheatgrass. A well-known and renowned nutritionist has said that wheatgrass is a rich source of nutrients that can help to rebuild and restore the body's cells. Users have also reported amazing results, from improved energy levels to better digestion. In conclusion, wheatgrass is definitely worth considering as part of a balanced diet. Its impressive nutritional profile and potential health benefits make it a great addition to a healthy lifestyle. Whether you're looking to boost your energy or support your overall wellness, wheatgrass might be just what you need. So, what do you think about wheatgrass? Have you tried it before? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to check out our next video on superfoods, where we'll be exploring another amazing health supplement.